I remember years ago, before I became a champion in the Olympics, Evander said, I don't know what this kid's gonna do in the Olympics, but he's definitely the next heavyweight champion of the world. And here I am, and he's still pulled for me. He's still a stand-up guy when it comes to me. He's never changed on me.
I had to ask him, him in your prime, him in his prime, and you in your prime.
Y'all have to ask these questions, don't you? And y'all already know what my mentality, what I would say. So I'm gonna let y'all answer that question for me.
What's going on, guys? It's Boxing Facts Over Fiction. Deontay Wilder recently did an interview, and in this interview, he talked about Evander Holyfield being a mentor or a role model. He talked about how Evander Holyfield predicted him to become the heavyweight champion of the world. And look what happened. It came to fruition. Just like Emanuel Steward predicted Deontay Wilder to do great things. Deontay Wilder then went on to say that Evander Holyfield is the only guy who says a lot of positive things about him and hasn't changed up. And then after he said that, the reporter had the nerve to ask Deontay Wilder if he was in his prime and Evander Holyfield was in his prime, who would win in that fight? Looked like Deontay Wilder didn't want to answer the question, but he had to answer the question. And that's exactly what he did. And I love the fact that Deontay Wilder feels so highly of himself. He said, "You should already know what my answer would be." Deontay Wilder lets the reporter know that he believed if he was in his prime and Evander Holyfield was in his prime, he would spark him. He would knock him out. And I agree with Deontay Wilder. He'll knock Evander Holyfield out. He's too big. He has too much power.